Here's a great year in the El Caminos. 1960 Chevrolet El Camino. Way the roof line on these and the fins in the back. Great looking El Camino year. This particular one has a nice paint. You can see it's got a decent luster to it. I'd call it a nice driver quality paint. Won't be afraid to take it to any of the local cruise-ins or shows. Does present well. So the bright work and everything's probably pretty much stock. Does not appear that it's been re-chromed or polished or anything like that. Underneath the hood, this vehicle is powered by a small block Chevy 350. That is teamed with an automatic transmission, turbo 350 tranny. Has power steering and power brakes underneath there also. The steering gearbox is actually new. There is disc brakes up front. See, it's riding on the Boss chrome wheels, black wall tires for a great look. Interior is black vinyl. Automatic shifter on the floor. Does have a Dakota digital dash as well as a more modern AM/FM radio with an auxiliary input. That is a power antenna. It's not broke. It does work. Goes up and down fine. Come around to the back. This is where these things are very popular because of the fins and how they look from back here. See, the car is pretty darn straight up and down the sides of it. Vinyl snap-on tonneau cover. There is a white, like spray and bed liner in there also. You can check out that bed liner, the engine bay, interior. Check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com, or feel free to give us a call if you have any questions on this one too. Number will be reached at 507-386-1726. So that paint's got a nice luster to it. Come around, take a look down this side. Again, you can see nice and straight. Great look with those fins once again. Come up, take a little peek inside this one. The other thing's the roof line on these and how they... Great looking El Camino. Alright, bench seat, black vinyl. This interior is also in nice shape. Little aftermarket style banjo wheel. You can see the Dakota digital dash. And that's been incorporated right into the styling of the stack 60 dash. Same with the radio. With a retro looking radio, but digital. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Here it runs, great sounding car. See how easily it starts. There's the radio working, and now you can see the power antenna went up over there. So all that does work. Great sounding 350 with the hood. Slip around to the back so you hear it. Nice little rumble out of it, but nothing obnoxious. The engine does have a nice polished Edelbrock intake on it. Also has a Edelbrock carburetor. That all looks fresh. Some chrome valve covers. We'll go ahead and pop the hood so you check out the engine bay, see how nice it looks underneath there. Alright, let's check out this engine bay. As you can see, quite a few new components underneath there. Aluminum radiator, fan shroud, steering gearbox, power brakes, power steering, chrome valve covers, and that Edelbrock intake nice and polished, some air cleaner, just very nice and tight and nice looking underneath there. Like I said, you won't have to be afraid to show this one. Be proud to drive this into any roll-in or cruise-in. You don't see these every day either, the 60 El Caminos. So go ahead, like I said, give us a call, 507-386-1726. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Check out the still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. 1960 Chevrolet El Camino.